Hey guys, welcome to my tutorials. So all the waits are over. I'm going to show you the interesting thing now. So here we go. So I'd open a Word file. So from here I can change the text. That's going to be like any of it. I think this looks nice. And let's make a tiger. There. This color going to be like great. Let's increase the font size little bit. So I'm typing over here now tiger. Yeah. So let's make a tiger. Let me just increase the font a little bit. So it's going to be 1F405. Now I have to press over there Alt plus X. Togetherly I have to press. Yeah, here we go. So next I'm going to convert into the rat. So I'm changing a color for it. Rat. The font will look nice. I can just make it this one. It's look prettier. So here we go. So 1F400 Alt plus X. So it's look tinier. We can increase the size of it while just selecting up. Now let's make rabbit. So for rabbit, let me just change the color. Oh, it's too large. 28. Yeah. Now it's going to be 1F407 Alt plus X. See, the rabbit looks too cute. So I can just make it like this. Let's make the another thing that's going to be a bird. Let's see how the bird is going to look like. So for that, it's going to be 1F426 Alt plus X. Okay, let's change the color of it. Yeah. Okay. Let's make over there lovely partners. So how it's going to look like. So for that, 1F491 Alt. Oh, so sorry, I just pressed over there a window. Alt plus X. Hope you like this all. And I will just give you a little bit task, so just try to do them. If you know about it, just write the things in a comment box you know about it. That's all about it. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends for more interesting videos.